Guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you how to easily change your theme inside Gmail, right? So you want to head over to google.com, and once you're here, click the Gmail on the upper right hand side. Keep in mind that you have to be logged in. Now once you're logged in, towards the upper right hand side again, you want to click on this gear icon, right? That's take you into your setting. And if you scroll down, you will see this section that says theme. Click on view all. And from here you'll find multiple different themes, right? So you can go through and you can see multiple different style of themes here. And if you scroll down a bit more, you will see like some colors, like some solid colors as well. So you can go ahead and you can choose between whichever theme you want, and then once you click in that, you'll be able to change the theme. So let's say I would like to use this one here. It looks like a Grand Canyon picture, right? So Grand Canyon theme, I'm gonna click in that. And if you look, now my theme on my entire Gmail is changed. And as I said, you can just simply click on whichever one you want and it will basically change for you. Now I like this one right here, so I'm going to leave mine within this color, but you can go ahead and play around with it and choose whichever one you want and that you like. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and on top of that, hit that subscribe button. I'll greatly appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.